pardon me, if you're asleep, you forgot to close your eyes.
Oh, I'm not sleeping. I'm just practicing, rehearsing my specialty.
What specialty?
Well, I'm a sort of an expert on snores. I've been trying to see Mr. Gordon for a month.
What about?
Snoring. I want to get into his show.
Snoring?
Precisely. Of all the human sound phenomena, perhaps the most inhuman to other people are the snores.
Well, I agree with you. It is a very unpopular indoor sport.
In discussing the human snore, or what we call in scientific terms, soft palate calisthenics, I need scarcely point out that the basic snore is the common or Pullman car form, like this. Just an ordinary snore.
Well, it'd be silly to waste a good snore in a Pullman.
Snores are produced by two movements of the breath, and so they may be classified under two general headings: varied inspirational forms and varied expirational forms. We'll take up the latter first.
Go right ahead. It's very interesting.
All of these expirational forms are dependent upon type 1, which you've just heard, for their inspirational element. And so we have type 2A, the labial or ah-poo variety.
You know, my grandmother used to snore like that.
And 2B is the frictional or non-lubricated form.
A little oil would help that one.
And 3A is the sad or melancholy form. Which often merges into 3B, the conversational or troubled conscience variety.
I'm sorry, but I don't think my readers would be interested in an organ recital.
But you haven't heard the air brake whistle snore.